Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and practical overviews. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best travel pouches you'll ever use, the JARLINK 18-pack mesh zipper bags. These aren't your average zip bags, they're durable, colorful, waterproof, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're organizing for a trip, sorting your office supplies, or keeping kids' puzzles together, this set could be your new organization hero. Let's start with what you actually get in the box. 18 mesh zipper pouches, spread across 8 different sizes. That means everything from larger B4-sized bags, think 15 by 11 inches, all the way down to compact B8s at 5.1 by 4.1 inches. This wide range makes it incredibly easy to separate and store things like full-size documents, books, electronics accessories, cosmetics, receipts, and even your kids' Legos or travel games. These pouches come in 9 different colors: red, rose red, purple, blue, light blue, green, orange, pink, and yellow. So not only are you staying organized, but you're color-coding your life too. That's especially handy when you're in a rush. You can instantly spot the yellow pouch for cables, or the pink one for receipts. Thanks to the semi-transparent mesh PVC, you can see exactly what's inside without even unzipping. Now let's talk about quality. These bags are made of strong PVC mesh material, which gives you both flexibility and structure. They're waterproof, so no worries if you spill water or you're caught in the rain. The zippers are metal, not plastic, which makes them smoother and more durable over time. The stitching is solid, so even if you're stuffing them with travel chargers, makeup, or a small mountain of crayons, they're built to last. What makes this set stand out is its multi-purpose use. Are you a student? Use them for pens, calculators, flashcards, and assignments. A teacher? Store art supplies, worksheets, and craft bits. Traveling? Keep your toiletries, passport, cords, and snacks sorted. Working from home? File your bills, cables, or that growing collection of sticky notes. One customer even mentioned using these to store board game pieces and puzzle parts. Genius. Because they come in so many sizes, you're not stuck trying to cram everything into one standard shape. The larger sizes are great for travel documents, books, or tablets, while the smaller ones are ideal for flash drives, credit cards, or daily medications. And let's not forget, these are reusable. You're not tossing out single-use plastic every time you organize. Just wipe them clean, and you're good to go again. Eco-friendly, check. So to wrap it up, the JARLINK 18-pack mesh zipper pouches are more than just bags. They're a portable filing cabinet, a travel companion, a toy box, and a daily life organizer all in one. For the price, the variety, and the durability, this is one product we confidently label a must-have. Whether you're heading to school, the office, or halfway around the world, these are the best travel pouches to keep everything in place. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Hit like if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews. See you in the next video.